gonna open up a Pokemon Go Squirtle pack. It comes with an additional pin, and it comes with 3 card packs. I want to open this up with you.
Booster packs.
Let's open it.
Okay, make sure it's in the shop packs.
Go wild. Go crazy.
And these are the 3 packs we're gonna open up today.
Plus the Squirtle.
I wonder what's inside. Take 4, put it to the back. I wonder what's inside. Oh, it's an energy.
A steel
energy.
Jinx, you owe me a root beer.
It's Zaxu.
Is that true?
It's a Pokemon Go. Zaxu.
A Pokestop?
Pokemon Go.
Stop.
Pokemon Go. Pokestop.
A Slowbro.
A Pokemon Go Slowbro.
Ooh.
A Pokemon Go Squirtle.
Another Squirtle.
Sam, you don't need to say Pokemon Go.
A Bidoof.
A Bidoof.
A
Jinx, you
Bidoof.
owe me a root beer.
Metal.
A Meltan.
Metal.
No, a Meltan.
A Meltan. Charmander.
Jinx, you owe me a root beer.
Apom.
A reverse hollow.
Reverse hollow Numel.
And
a Venusaur. Jinx, you owe me a root beer.
Over here. Oh wait, and the Charmander.
Wow, I'm so surprised that I got 5 Jinxes today in this episode.
Here's the second pack. Slightly gonna open it up on this side, and then turn this over,
Not
and
important.
not. And let's open this up. Pretty hard.
The ones that are the hardest have good cards. Right?
Maybe.
Yep.
I gotta open up.
Ooh. You get any like EX, GX, or Ds?
Or
The spotlight.
or
Like,
shinies.
what?
Or the reverse hollow.
Pretty hard.
no, because like so far all the packs have had. Okay.
Gee, this one must have super good one.
Bad. As soon as you say that, they're bad cards.
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
4 from the back, put it to the front, and the Psychic type energy. A
Blanche.
Blanche. A Solar Rock. Egg Incubator. A Alolan Raticate. A Tranquil. Larvitar.
A
A
Natu.
Natu.
An
Ambipom.
And by
Ambipom. A reverse hollow Snorlax and a
Blastoise.
and a hollow Blastoise. This is the 3rd pack.
Camera.
Am I in the camera?
What? No, you're trying to take out the camera
You're like,
by knocking over the. Quick, turn it over.
Okay.
these. Where's the rest of them? Wait.
No.
V-Star
A
card!
V-Star, let's go!
Does that mean there's a V-Star in there?
No.
No.
It's just, so with this, when you have like on the bottom, when you use your V-Star thing, you like put it over.
Ah.
A metal!
Hold on.
I did!
Hold on. Okay.
I did!
So let's,
This is the best pack.
I hate it.
Okay, we
Okay.
have a V-Star, a Candela,
Wait, so
What?
this is the energy, basically.
so,
a Lunatone, Rare Candy, Bulbasaur,
Oh.
Pita,
Gotta hide it. We're not ready to see it.
Magikarp, Onyx, Eevee, Onyx, and a Metal VMAX.
A Melmetal VMAX.
Actually-
330 HP. Holy smokes!
Okay.
Those are some of the best cards
So
we
these are the
got.
good, yep. Look at that.
Oh my
Shiny,
God.
shiny.
And then